Sea cucumbers breathe through their anus. Sea cucumbers, despite their name, are animals related to sea stars and urchins. One of their most surprising biological traits is their respiratory system. They breathe through their anus. Water is drawn into their cloaca, where specialized structures called respiratory trees extract oxygen. This odd setup even allows some species to host symbiotic fish that live inside them. This adaptation shows how evolution can produce highly unconventional yet efficient solutions to life in challenging environments. It also highlights the incredible biodiversity and strangeness of marine life.